एक मिनट
ही मारते थे।
गुड़िया नो
फेस्टिवल फेस्टिवल फेस्टिवल।
सीरियसली
Hi everyone, I'm playing a little game today with my best friend, my biggest cheerleader, and my business partner. Of course, my mom. We'll be picking up these chits and we have few questions to answer. So let's see what's inside.
what's your favorite piece out of the whole collection? Okay, you can also tell one. My favorite piece is cord sets, the asymmetrical cord sets and the different designs that I make. Some great tunics, dresses with different cuts. I like to make that.
And out of the entire collection, my favorite piece will be the draped sari that we recently made. We together designed it for my friend's wedding. I loved the corset blouse, the hand paint, the hand embroidery on it, the stitched skirt and the beautiful drape. So I think for me, definitely the draped sari.
I designed it for her specially because I wanted her to look the best out of the whole wedding.
Okay, so my chance now. Would you like to share one of your recent achievements that made you really happy? So I think for the both of us, it was the feature that we got in the Melange magazine. So we have like a feature in print now for Shades by Vidhi. So that was something really special to see our creation, our words, and what we brought for this brand in print. So I think for me it will be that.
What is your favorite thing that we do together? Okay. जब हम इकट्ठे बैठते हैं एंड देन वी डिसाइड ओवर द डिज़ाइन, फिर मैं ड्रॉ करती हूँ, देन वी पुट कलर ओवर इट एंड देन वी डिसाइड द कट, वो बहुत अच्छा निकल के आता है एंड इट मेक्स अ ब्यूटीफुल डिज़ाइन. आई लव दैट पार्ट द मोस्ट बिकॉज इसमें हम दोनों का क्रिएटिव पार्ट बाहर आता है.
I think for me also that will be the best part because that is the time we bond the most. Both of our creative minds are working at 100%. We're bringing out new collection, new designs. So I think yes. Yes. So now my chance. Why name it Shades by Vidhi? So actually there is a little story behind it. We were thinking of a lot of names initially. I think 5 to 6 years back when we started it. And we couldn't come up with a name that could resonate with hand paint, with colors and with her as well. So my sister Tanya, she suggested the name Shades by Vidhi because shades means colors, blends and hand paint. All of that was coming together. So that's why Shades by Vidhi.
What was your inspiration behind the brand? I always loved to paint. I used to paint for my family, for my friends. और सबको वो बहुत पसंद आता था. Everybody used to praise it and everybody used to appreciate it. Then I gave it a start. I also wanted to empower women so that I can involve more women in my work.
And as a matter of fact, we have mostly we have women employees working in our studio. Okay, so for the last question,
what do you look forward to as a brand? As a brand, I am making new designs for our summer collection and also working on our festival edit and making designs which are more sustainable, comfortable and elegant as well.
So that was it. Share this reel with your mother or daughters and comment down your favorite thing to do with your mom.